everyone, welcome back to my channel sa akong mga subscribers, and welcome to my channel if it's your first time here. Daghang salamat sa tanan nag-subscribe, bisag gamay ra mo, salamat kaayo. So please don't forget to click the like button and comment down below your video suggestions and subscribe para updated mo sa atong mga bagong videos. Okay. So guys, it's been a while since I posted my last video, and today I'm back for another information video. But today I'm not gonna talk about online teaching or side hustles. Today is different because we're gonna talk about the best loan application for 2022. So if you are someone who needs money for your tuition, medical expenses, business expense, personal expense, or even for emergencies, then this video is for you, so stay tuned until the end. Okay, alright, so the online loan application that I was talking about is Tala, as in T-A-L-A, and let's have a quick overview lang muna. So it has more than 5 million downloads in Play Store, and then it has 4.7 stars out of 5, and it has a lot of customer reviews as of October 16, 2022. And it's one of the leading loan application in the Philippines, trusted by many for its security, fast approval, flexible payment terms, and affordable scheme. So, ato ning tan-awon karon ug unsa pa ang details about this loan application. So, let's get into the next slide. So let's have a short overview about the company. The company name is Tala, and the Tala app was released on July 28, 2016. So it's been around 6 years since it has been out to the market, and it's one of the leading financial technology company in the Philippines. I've been using Tala, I guess, since November of 2019 until now, and it's very good. It's very legit. It's not a scam, guys. And locations. So it has 4 locations: the Tala Philippines, Tala Kenya, Tala Mexico, and Tala India. Then this is just one of the many press releases they had. So Tala was named one of the top 5 innovative financial technology companies in the world. So you can assure it's not a scam and it's very legit since it's recognized. Alright, now let's get into Tala's key features. I hope you get to stay tuned until the end of this video, because these are the key notes that you have to take before you actually download the application and start your online loan application. Okay, so the first feature of the Tala is its affordability, and they have no hidden fees. So service fees as low as 5 pesos per day for borrowing 1,000 pesos. Humiram ng Tala loan up to 15,000 and enjoy transparent fees as low as 5 pesos per day, and that applies to a 1,000 Tala loan. Fees vary depending on the amount of the loan. But again, it's very transparent because you get the full amount. There are no minimum fees, and then there's no surprises. And you need to only pay for days you need. Okay? So the next feature is its fast approval. Okay, you need to complete your application in just minutes. Kumplituhin ang application sa loob ng ilang minuto, tapos tumanggap ng instant decision, cash out your loan, at bayaran ito sa kanilang payment channels nationwide, which I'll talk about sa next video natin. So subscribe to be updated. And then, sino yung eligible? Who are those eligible to apply for the loan? You need to be at least 18 years old and resident citizen of the Philippines. You need to at least have one valid ID and a mobile number. Why do you need a mobile number? Because you're going to download the application. Dun ka magsa-start ng registration mo once you downloaded na the application in your mobile phone. Okay, and next we also have flexibility and ultimate control. So you are in full control of your repayment date. Choose to borrow for as short as 1 day or as long as 60 days. change, the amount due will automatically adjust. So, pumili ka ng sariling repayment date from 1 to 60 days and gain control over your finances with Tala loans. So, what's a good thing about this? You decide kung kailan ka babayad and make sure to choose the repayment date that you are confident that you can pay really on that date to avoid late fees or late dues. And next, we also have repeat access. So repeat access to cash, just pay back your current balance in full and borrow again immediately. But some exclusions apply. We'll talk about it in our next video. And then you just need to answer a few questions in the application and you are set. So for your registration, there are a series of questions, your demographic profile and stuff like that, where you work, about you, your family, and your expenses. Then after that, if you have your first loan already, the next time you borrow money, you just have to answer a few questions na lang. And next is fast limit growth. So borrow up to 15,000, get limits up to 15,000, and most customers have the chance to double their limit in just months with on-time repayment. Okay, so it gets bigger in time as long as you pay your dues on time as well. But also remember that the bigger the amount of your credit limit, the temptation of applying for bigger loan is also there. So you make sure that whatever amount you try to loan, you can repay it. You are confident to repay it on time, on your set date. Okay? And remember, pay early, pay less. You will need to repay your credit amount, the service fees in full, no later than 60 days after disbursement to avoid a late payment charge. So there's a one-time late fee of 5% of the outstanding amount due. So you just have to compute it, and then you will have continuous access naman to cash if you clear your outstanding balance and keep your Tala relationship in good standing. Okay, and in another video, we'll talk about kung ano yung mangyayari at ano ang gagawin ni Tala kapag nakapag-late payment ka or hindi ka pa nakapagbayad and lagpas ka na sa due date mo. I'll talk about what are the things that you can do and what is the countermeasure of Tala about it. Okay? And another thing that I really like about Tala because it's very secured and I can really trust it. Why? Because Tala secures your personal information with SSL encryption, and then Tala pride themselves in treating customers with respect even if you are late on repayment. So they will not contact your friends and relatives if you don't pay on your due date. Based on my experience, as long as I can remember, I started Tala since November of 2019. And as far as I can remember, they only contacted me through call around 2 times only. Yes, 2 times only, and they're very polite and they're very courteous when talking to their customers. Unlike other online loan application where they call your friends, call your family, get access to your contacts, and then they even threat you to pay na because if you're not going to pay, then they will sue you or threat you or what else or whatever. So here in Tala, it's very secure and they train their agents to not talk bad to their clients even if you pay your dues very late. So that's what I like about them. So how does it work? Okay, so let's start with apply in minutes. So you just have to download the application and answer a few questions so they can give you your best customized offer, and you only need to have one valid ID, no paperwork, collateral or bank account needed. Okay, that simple only, one valid ID. And you can also see on their website the valid IDs that they accept as well. Next is choose your terms. So after your registration and if you're good to go to apply for a loan, then confirm your desired amount and select your target repayment date. In selecting your repayment date, make sure that you're confident that you will be able to really pay on that said date. Okay? For you to avoid the delayed payment fee of 5% of the actual balance. And then next after that is you need to get your cash. So send funds to your bank account, your Coins PH wallet, or nearest Padala centers. They have Cebuana and Invalere. And before they also have GCash, but I don't know if it's still working because sometimes merong GCash, sometimes naman walang GCash. For bank account, you have BDO, you have BPI, and there are corresponding fees as well in your transaction fees. Next is repay easily. Okay, so you can pay your loan via GCash, Coins PH, 7-Eleven, Paymaya, Cebuana, Luwilier, or Luwilier, and pay in full or make partial payments anytime on or before your due date. And then next is borrow again. So if you are already paid with your due, then you can borrow again. After repaying, answer a few short questions to receive your next round of funds. So as long as you pay your dues on time or before the due date, you get to experience credit increase. So in time, if magbabayad ka on time, tataas yung credit limit mo. Okay, with all that being said, Tala is operated by Tala Financing Philippines. It's a licensed financing company. They have their SAC registration as well, their TIN number, certificate of authority number, and you can check it on the SAC website. And again, always study the terms and conditions and the disclosure statements before proceeding with any transaction. Let's be responsible in handling our finances and use Tala only on emergencies and loan only the amount you are confident that you can pay. Okay, so upon learning the information I've said a while ago, if you think that the Tala application is very useful to you, you can download the app now. Either go to the link flashed on your screen, or you may check also the description box below. I'll post it down below. You can click the link directly, or you can also download it from Google Play or App Store. And don't forget to use my code capital A, 3, capital W, 4, F, number 7, and 6 upon your registration. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video. If you have any questions or clarifications, please do not hesitate to ask down on our comment section. If you have video suggestions, or if you want me to review applications, please comment it down below and I'll check on it. And kindly like, comment,